Hey there, world travelers.
Hey there.
I'm Tanya.
And I'm Dave.
And we are Turn It Up World. It's called The Real Meals on Wheels. All right, Dave, you're up. Okay, let's go.
When we're not on the road or overseas, we're back in our second hometown of Austin, Texas. And let me tell you, there's not a day that goes by that something good is going on in this town. So we figured, why not share with you some of the fun things that make Austin, Texas, one of the fastest growing cities in the U.S. Welcome to the third episode of
Say What, Austin?
In our last episode, we took y'all to the second most expensive burger spot in Austin, Texas, the Farm to Table Fresh Die Due. And my God, it was good. Today we're taking you to what celebrity Austin native Matthew McConaughey and bleach blonde celebrity chef Guy Fieri have called the hottest Brazilian restaurant on four wheels. Well, we'll be the judge of that. But first, it's time for a sunrise, y'all.
Welcome to Mount Bunnell here in Austin, Texas. Yep, we are bundled up, so it does get cold in Texas, and today is one of them, but it's a beautiful day nonetheless, and a great spot here to catch a sunrise and a sunset.
Yeah, exactly. Mount Bunnell, now it's really a hill, you know, let's be real. It's about 775 feet high, but it is one of the highest points here in Austin. Absolutely gorgeous, right on the side of Lake Austin.
Yeah.
Great spot.
It's a wonderful spot. Now, you must get here early. I will tell you, sunrise around this time of the year is about 7:25. There are two ways up. There's the steps, which I think is about how many steps?
106, I believe, something
106
like that.
steps. And then there's the easy way up, which is kind of right behind us.
No way is easy.
So we're gonna put this to the test here, right? We might as well get this day started, so I think you should take the steps. And I'll take the easy way.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, here we go. So you have to pay attention somewhat because the stairs, the rocks here are kind of slippery this early in the morning, but I'm gonna run the whole way.
I also see a lot of people exercising here. You got some back there exercising, but they have 106 steps, so you can get a pretty good step run up the hill here. So let's give it a shot. Actually up the mountain, Mount Bunnell. Here we go. See how we do. Oh man, this is gonna be tough. Whew. Oh, I'm gonna die on this one.
Oh my God, look at it, here we go. Jeez. Now I think it's easy for me to say I'll probably make it before him because this is an easy way. Well, easy for those that are in great shape. That's not me right now.
Here we go. Run up the hill. Oh goodness. It's really pretty steps though, check that out. Whew. Morning.
Look at those views. See? All right, a quick pit stop. See what I mean? Gorgeous.
How do you? $106. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's not enough for me, I think.
We have to beat him. He's taking the stairs right now. You see what I mean? I've already given up. I've already called it quits halfway through. So maybe I won't beat him after all. He still beat me to the top. Oh yeah.
High five.
Yeah. High five. All right, so the sun is out, full effect, shining in all its glory. And now we're sitting here at the top of Mount Bunnell. And how you know we're at the top of Mount Bunnell is look for the rock that says Mount Bunnell.
Exactly, and if there's no more steps.
Oh, that's true. That's very true. So I think we've done a great job here. Just we love being here, soaking up the sun, catching both the sunrise and sunset. But it's a good time right now for us to get a little bit of breakfast, maybe.
And some coffee.
Yes.
We need coffee.
Coffee.
Yes.
High five.
Okay, I admit it. I have a Starbucks addiction. I think you do too.
I definitely have a Starbucks addiction.
Yeah.
Cheers to Starbucks addiction. Being in Texas now for a little over a year and a half.
Yeah.
I feel like we need to become one with Texas, and a good way to do that is
get ourselves some boots, maybe. What do you think? Some cow boots, you know?
Yeehaw.
Some city folk and some boots.
I'm ready.
What do you
It's time
think?
for us to go check out some cowboy boots. All right, so we made it to Tacovas.
Yeah, that's pretty cool here.
It really is. You come right in off the streets of South Congress and you come right into another amazing boot store. Actually here on South Congress.
Exactly. Of course, most of their business, Tacova, is more mail order. They're kind of changing the whole model here. Whereas we have Allen's Boots and some of the other famous spots here in Austin. They're coming in here.
I know, kind of shaking up the boots.
Shaking it up, yeah.
Shaking up the boots, literally.
Exactly.
Yeah, I think one of the nicest things about this place is they do kind of thrive in the quality of their, and then at the same time, the price is kind of reasonable. So,
exactly. Good value for the dollar.
Watch out, neighbors in the boot industry. They might be coming for you. So we're going to try on a couple of nice pairs today. I definitely have one that I think I have in mind, but you never know. I think the boot has to call you. You try it on and the boot will call you. Thank you.
Oh, look at that.
Look at
That's
this.
an ostrich?
Yes, it's an ostrich boot. That's all I know about it. I know that it's made to perfection. Smells really nice. Feels nice. Let's see what happens on the foot. Oh boy. Woo!
What's that?
That's a lot of work.
Bad.
All right, Mr. David, you're up.
Could I try these in 9.5? Try that.
Ooh, model those for me. Let me see that. Ooh. After all that, trying on them boots, it's nice to kind of have a nice cold drink.
Oh, yeah. Cheers.
Thanks to Kova for the complimentary beer. I'm getting kind of hungry.
I am hungry.
Aren't you?
Yes.
I think it's time for us to now depart the Kova ways and head on to the food truck ways.
I think so.
Let's do it. Right, welcome to Boteco.
Yes, exactly. The best Brazilian in Texas is served out of a truck.
That's right, Meals on Wheels, baby. Actually, as a matter of fact, this place was mentioned by a fellow Austinite, Matthew McConaughey, as a place to eat. And, of course, the all right guy of food reviews, Guy Fieri. So we are here bright and early. We're going to see maybe we can get a little scoop peek of what's going on in there. The food smells amazing, and we're dying to try this. All right. Stepping up, the first thing you do is you catch the smells. Everything smells amazing. Now, this is where the pressure cooker is. This is where the feijoada, the pork, the pulled pork. Yeah. So this is where the delicious pork is going to be cooked in, and you can just catch the smells. It looks like they're going to have things that are deep fried. So let me catch you. What is your name?
Iago.
Yeah. I'm Tanya.
Nice to meet you.
That's Dave
nice
behind the camera.
Nice
Pleasure to meet you. So how long has Boteco's been here?
4 years.
4 years.
Maybe 5 years.
Wow, 5 years. Now we did hear that Fernando and you guys at Boteco made a fabulous lunch for Matthew McConaughey's wife. It was amazing, right?
Loaded the food.
See? Well, let me tell you, so do we. That's why we're here. So we're gonna actually have one of your popular dishes, and that popular dish is called feijoada, right? Feijoada. And that's like the slow roasted pork with some pork on top of that, some the beans and collard greens and stew. It's basically the traditional food of Brazil, correct? Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Some of that as well, too.
Oh, wow, look at that.
Get into that. Now, when is the busiest time for this place? Saturday, Friday?
Just Saturday and Sunday.
Ah, I see. We're going to have 2 pão de queijos and 2 feijoadas.
All right.
Here we go. Thank you.
There we go. A little more of this. There we go. Don't steam that up.
Don't steam it.
All right.
So that was amazing. And of course, it's just a really great opportunity for us to kind of support some of the small businesses here. I'm dying to try this. I have a feeling Dave and I are going to really give this place a hardcore dancing session afterwards, but we'll see what happens. My God.
I'm excited
Are you excited to dive into
Oh
this?
yeah, I've never had this before, so looking forward to
Hey,
it.
I'm ready. You ready to take
Yes,
this on?
let's do
Should we
it.
start the feijoada?
Yeah, I like
Let's
it.
do it. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh my God. I don't even know where to start, but I'm just going to mix it all up.
Yeah.
This,
Got some collard greens in here, some rice, some black beans. That's good. And
that is really good.
this pork stew is like so tasty.
It's like tender.
Oh man.
It really kind of melts in your mouth.
Wow.
I love the way
That's
the
great.
combination of like it's almost like a tomato and onion, little salad mixed in there.
Oh, right,
Put that
on
in
the
with
side.
that pork. Woo!
I haven't even tried that yet. Let's throw it in there. It's good. I can see this being that national Brazil dish. I mean, this is really good.
Right?
Right, and they made this in that truck over there?
you believe
Unbelievable,
it?
right?
Can you believe it?
This is like mom's home cooking.
I'm telling you.
Well, I'm excited for the steak sandwich. What do you call that?
Oh, wait, you're kind of losing all your bits.
losing it, blowing out
You don't
on
want
me.
to lose the
Blowing,
steak.
blowing. This steak sandwich looks really good.
I don't know, I'm kind of full from the first dish, but
Yeah.
I think this is probably going to be nice. And this is actually the pau de queijo.
I think that's right.
Pau de queijo
Works for
sandwich,
me.
which is what? Steak
Yeah,
sandwich,
it's basically
right?
a steak sandwich, some chimichurri sauce and some pesto sauce put on there. Got some nice greens. I'm gonna throw some of this pesto right in there
I
though.
think that's a good idea.
We'll get that if I can get through there. Here we go.
Are you sure you're going to like the pesto?
I hope
you,
so.
You
'cause
like pesto.
I just stuffed it right on there. I really like pesto. Yeah.
You do?
Here we go. And this bread, we saw them making it right in the
Oh
truck.
my gosh.
They made it fresh right in the truck,
Exactly.
which is amazing. Wow.
It kind of melts though, right? I mean, that
Oh, it
cheesy
melts.
bread and everything else with the steak. How's the steak?
Tastes really good. You're right. The bread almost just melts in your mouth.
It looks
It
like
absorbs all the flavors.
yeah.
It's really good. You gotta take a bite of that.
It looks like a big biscuit.
It is.
It's a huge
a big,
buttery
It's a
biscuit.
big buttery biscuit with some amazing steak in there.
All right, here we go.
That's good. This will fill me up.
You know, this is definitely like a thick, cheesy bread sandwich. It's probably good just to have just that.
Yeah.
But even the meat, it looks like it's like perfectly cooked.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's not well done.
No.
So it has a little bit of that pink in there, which is kind of what
Yeah.
you like more than me. I mean, I'm a little more the welly gunner-ish,
It looks
but
like they kind of keep the fat in there too. You get that nice little flavor of the fat bursting through, which is really nice too.
that was really good.
That was really
I
good.
think I had a full belly for sure. And definitely this is going to keep us on our toes. There's a lot of sugar in this right
We're
here.
sugaring up.
So what do you think about this place?
What do you think? Turn it up, world.
That was excellent.
It was
I
great.
think it was another great way to kind of wrap up another awesome day.
Definitely.
All right, so thank you guys so much for joining us. If you haven't already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get every time we post something new and exciting. Thanks again, World Travelers, and we look forward to seeing you
On the road.